Hi, boys and girls. We're going to read a story called Bear Snores On. And when we're done reading this story, there's going to be an activity for you to do. This story was written by Karma Wilson and it's illustrated by Jane Chapman. And here's the start of the story. Bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, deep lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day. He sleeps through the night. The cold wind howls and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty bitty mouse, pitter pat, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare pops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps and Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs at the air. "Ooh, I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chop, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night!" "What a storm!" twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through a party in his very own lair. A lair is another name for a den. Hare stokes the fire, and Mouse seasons the stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear. This is a 2-pager and I want to show it all. Achoo! He blows and he sneezes. And the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Look at him. He gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Look at what happens. They all go and hide. I don't think Bear likes being woken up. Boys and girls, he looked really angry on the other page, but look now. Look, it says, "You've snuck in my lair and you've had all the fun, but me, I was sleeping and I have had none." Aw, and he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see? We can pop more corn and we can brew more tea." Oh, let's look at this page together. Bear gulps, bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustering night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. I really like this story, Bear Snores On. I like how it's a story about friendship. Now, I am going to be asking you to think about the characters in the story and the setting and what happens in it. And there are going to be some activity pages for you to do on this seesaw lesson. Have fun doing the lessons, and I hope you enjoyed the story.